Because Mommy doesn't want you playing with Daddy's deodorant.
What?
Daddy's deodorant.
Alright.
Put it back. Put it back. Put it back. Thank you. Thank you for listening. Are you smiling at yourself in the mirror?
No.
Andren, Daniel, what did Mommy just tell you?
No.
I told you not to play with Daddy's deodorant, right?
Why?
Because Mommy doesn't want you to play with Daddy's deodorant.
Why?